Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Lutron HomeWorks for advanced smart lighting control, detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin, ensure your device is connected to the same network as your Lutron HomeWorks system. Open your preferred web browser on your device. In the address bar, type the IP address of your Lutron HomeWorks main repeater. Press the Enter key to access the login page. You will see a prompt asking for your username and password. Enter your username in the designated field. Next, type your password in the password field. Be sure to check for any typing errors, especially if your password includes special characters. Once both fields are filled, click the Login button. If your login is successful, you will be directed to the HomeWorks control panel. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the main interface. For managing settings, look for the Settings tab at the top of the screen. To adjust lighting scenes, navigate to the Scenes section. You will find options to create, modify, or delete existing scenes. If you wish to set up schedules, head to the Schedules tab. This will allow you to automate lighting based on specific times or events. Once you have made your desired changes, be sure to save your settings. To log out, click the Logout option located at the top right corner of the screen. Remember to close your browser for added security, especially on shared devices. You have successfully logged into Lutron HomeWorks and adjusted your smart lighting settings. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.